Take a few deep breaths. We know that being on camera isn't for everybody. Some people can be complete naturals, and others might need a little more TLC to get things started. Here are 3 big tips for being comfortable on camera. Don't break your routine. Whether or not you're superstitious, it's best to stick to your routine before your shoot. Don't skip breakfast, have your coffee if that's what you do, and so on. Next, remember, body language is important. All the same rules apply here as in real-life conversations. Stand up straight, make eye contact without staring, you know the drill. On camera, you want to limit your movement a little bit. For example, bouncing up and down or swaying back and forth too much can really make your audience uncomfortable. See? Keep it natural, but keep it contained. Being on camera is just like having a conversation. Try to ignore the camera and the lights and equipment for a moment. When you're talking about your business, there's a good chance that you can go on for days about what you do and how you're unique. When you're having a conversation with someone, things tend to flow naturally. Try to treat being on camera just like you would talking to an everyday person. The camera might not be able to speak, but talk to the camera about your business like you would anyone else. In conclusion, practice makes perfect. You're a human being. It can be a little nerve-wracking to be on camera, and that's totally fine. It happens to the best of us. Trust me, just relax and be natural. For more info, click the link below to get our definitive guide to video marketing for small business. Thanks for watching.